Pero kinakabahan kayo dyan. Ngayon, hindi masyado. Siguro kasi parang parang formality na lang siya, yung kasal sa amin. Parang nile-legitimize lang niya na mag-partner na kami. Parang legally speaking, ayan, ano na kayo. Pero after all the things na pinagdaanan namin, ano na kami, parang technically husband and wife. Like partnership talaga.
Ay, bakit parang in-expect ko na to? Thank you. We've always talked about, looking for this record. And record din yung binigay ko sa kanya, kaya bongga. Yay! So happy.
Sabi na eh.
Diba parehong-pareho kayo?
Alam ko na na plaka eh. Pero ano kaya to? Dino, this has been years in the making. Ang tagal ko tong pinaghandaan. You'll see. Oh my God! Oh my God, custom na plaka siya. Look. So that's us. Yung mga pusa namin. Oh my God, over the top na regalo to. Feeling ko hindi ko to bubuksan. Ano to? 1 out of 1 to na compilation. Sama ka.
Ano po ha?
Shishi, to my wife, wow, wife, my co-pilot, and my partner in crime. The world is a terrible place, and people are out there to fail you. Fortunately, we don't have to do it alone. Together, we are an unstoppable force and an immovable object. Hand in hand, we'll navigate these uncharted waters and brave through every storm and shipwreck. The world is a terrible place, and people are out there to fail you. But I promise you, we'll go through them together. Always and always.
Hachi, Dino, I've been thinking of what to say, what vows I should make to you for a while now. Pero nahihirapan ako mag-isip kung ano nga bang dapat kong ipangako na madali kong malulusutan in the future. Tapos naisip ko, wala naman talagang madali sa buhay mag-asawa. Kailangan laging may communication, compromise, at cooperation. Walang shortcut, walang cheat code, walang save point. Ilang dekada pa ang bubunuin natin, so I have to make this promise count. Isa lang siguro. Simple pero may impact. Yung kaya kong masabi sa'yo kahit uugod-ugod na tayo. Ang pangako ko sa'yo, ngayon hanggang lampas sa dulo ay mamahalin kita ng buong buo. Kahit may tampuhan, kahit magkaaway, love pa rin kita. Sisiguraduhin ko na magkasama tayong tatanda. Mag-iba man ang itsura ng mundo, kahit ilang kasal pa natin ang ating paplanuhin. Actually, ayoko nang umulit. Sabi ko sa'yo, magtanan na lang tayo. One thing is for sure, mamahalin kita ng sobra-sobra sa lahat ng panahon at paraan. I will constantly make you feel how much I love you, for always and in all ways. I love you.